Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui and I'm making this video for a specific viewer whose Blink sync module was destroyed in the hurricane, and they want to remove that sync module and add another one, and they wanted to know how to do it. So here's how we do it. In order to remove a sync module and add another one, let me turn on my phone. So what you need to do is you need to go to your Blink app. Once your Blink app is up and running, or try the Face ID again, okay. Now what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. In Settings, you have to go to Device and System Settings. In Device and System Settings, you have to choose the system where that sync device used to be, when it used to work, and in my case it's home. Now right here, this is my sync module right here, and I want to remove this, so I click on that and I click on this right here, delete sync module. And then once you delete the sync module, then you can simply add another sync module, as I mentioned in my earlier video. I hope that was educational and you learned a thing or two. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.